Hi, are you still trading without AI? It's time to fix that. This is the FixProfit channel. I have implemented a smart robot assistant in my work, which scans the market and gives recommendations very quickly. You can get the bot for free right now. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager, he will tell you everything. In a month you will be able to get it only for a fee, so hurry up. I recommend you to click on the subscribe button and on the bell to not miss important information and new offers. I'd love your likes and comments. So now I'm going to show you over the counter trading. The robot has signaled higher. This is the euro-dollar OTC currency pair. The expiration time is 5 minutes. Yes, the big advantage of FixProfit is that it is able to analyze not only the base currency pairs, but also OTC variants. Work and improve your results at any moment, even when the exchanges are sleeping. So, on historical data, I see an oversold moment after several declining local highs. I see the bulls forming a new momentum and pushing off the support zone. This should help me in the 5-minute range. These developments should improve the buying position. Folks, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free, but the cool bonuses do not end here. Attention, friends, at the link in the description together with the bot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of it. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. The trade is worth the struggle. Let me ask you something up front. How many times have you looked at a losing trade and thought, maybe this just isn't for me? Maybe you felt like quitting. Maybe you told yourself the market isn't fair. Maybe you've been burned more than once and now you're scared to place that next trade. But let me tell you something that might just change your perspective forever. Every single successful trader you look up to once felt exactly the same. They were where you are right now, confused, frustrated, on the edge of giving up. But the only thing that separates them from the ones who gave up is that they didn't stop. They didn't walk away. They doubled down. They got smarter. And most importantly, they learned the rules of the game. Before we go deep into the fire of motivation, let's ground ourselves with the most important truth in this business. Money management is your shield. You don't enter a battlefield with your entire army at once. Same in trading, you don't go all in on every position. The golden rule? Risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Why? Because you don't need to win every trade. You just need to survive the long game. Protect your capital like it's oxygen. If you've got a $100 balance, don't place $10 trades. Stick to $1, because 80 cents profit on a $1 trade may feel small, but do that 100 times with consistency, and you've built something. With $1,000, now you're placing $10 trades and banking $8 per win. Bigger deposit, bigger results, but always within the framework of solid risk control. Remember this quote from Warren Buffett? The first rule of investing is don't lose money. The second rule is don't forget the first rule. Say less. So, I've just successfully completed my first trade. It's time to improve the result, to take another step. I'm investing a little more, $1,377. 5 minutes. The bot does the job very quickly. Hire. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, I hit the green button on the broker. I again see an oversold moment on historical data and an opportunity for buyers to push off the support zone to develop a local advantage. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. Learning the charts, your secret weapon. Charts aren't just squiggly lines, they're the heartbeat of the market. Learn to read them and you start seeing what most can't. Support, resistance, candlestick patterns, breakouts, trend reversals. These are your clues, your language of the battlefield. If you've ever watched The Matrix, remember when Neo finally sees the code behind reality? That's what chart mastery feels like. At first it's confusing, then suddenly, it clicks. And you start predicting price moves like you've got insider info. But that takes time. It takes staring at charts, losing some trades, learning from them. Analyzing each move, ask yourself, what time did I enter? Was the market trending or ranging? What indicators were flashing? Did I follow my plan? That kind of review will transform your results. Look, everyone starts from zero. But some tools make your journey smoother. That's why I built a powerful assistant that helps analyze price movements and indicators. Not to do the work for you, but to simplify the process. And right now, it's absolutely free. After a month, it goes premium, so this is your chance to gain that edge for free. The link's in the description. No pressure, no hype, just a tool that can help you see patterns faster, spot mistakes quicker, and grow with less guesswork. You've seen Rocky, right? He wasn't the biggest or the strongest, but he trained harder, stayed in the fight, and that's why we remember his name. Or Michael Jordan, cut from his high school basketball team. Cut, and he became the GOAT. Or Eminem, laughed out of the first rooms he rapped in. Then won an Oscar. Elon Musk was told electric cars were a joke. Jeff Bezos was mocked for selling books online. Every success story you admire came from rejection and pain. So if you're struggling, congratulations, you're on the right path. Keep pushing. I want this to be a two-way conversation. Drop in the comments. How do you apply money management in your strategy? What's your favorite indicator and why? Have you ever walked away from trading, and what brought you back? I finished the job. Yes, this teamwork with the bot has paid off. $2,522 in 2 transactions. Subscribe and hit the bell. Get the bot for free. See you later.